Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Hyundai Palisade, stock reference number 5852. This shape ran from the 7th of 2020 to the present. It is an LX2 4-cylinder 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by an auto all-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our LX2 4-cylinder 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left hand mirror, left rear door, one dent, left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 20-inch rim, good tyre, left hand tail light, tailgate, no dents, right hand tail light, right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 20-inch rim, good tyre. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 20-inch rim, good tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front master, front door trim, right front master switch, center console, gear stick, heater AC controls, sat nav display unit, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, tidy 4-spoke steering wheel with audio, cruise and phone buttons, less airbag.